It's much too early to underestimate me. I don't plan on giving up yet. This duel was over before it began, when you decided to fight without honor.
Let me show you what ultimate power is.
What drives a person to be evil in the first place? Someone somewhere has to stop it. Hate just creates more hate. When you act just like your enemy, you're no different than they are. And you'll just cause the cycle to keep going.
Let me see. How should I attack? Oh yeah! Bet you didn't expect this to happen.
I'm going to defeat you, of course! There's no point wasting time! Face it!
Let's keep playing.
Woohoo! I can't believe it! I lost!
Well then, let's hurry this along. I'm not holding anything back. The one and only.
I've defeated you many times. I doubt it was just luck.
Are you ready to admit your own foolishness?
You may be right, but I'm not giving up! It's not going to end like this!
See, I want to create a world where people can live easy. That's why I want to become Shaman King.
Let's see which one of us is the fake then. You can never defeat me.
As long as you are controlled by the shadows, you will never be able to defeat me! This duel is over, Bakura! If you think you can withstand this attack, go ahead and try!